Every single day, millions of watermelons move through factories like this. From the outside, they look ordinary. But what happens next is something most people never see. Inside this facility, every second matters. Because this factory is built to handle volume on a massive scale. Truckloads of freshly harvested watermelons arrive here every day. From the moment they enter, the process begins. Each melon is guided, positioned, and controlled. No chaos. No randomness. Only one carefully engineered system designed to transform raw fruit into finished products. Once inside, the watermelons move straight into the sorting zone. Here, size and shape matter. Advanced systems scan every single watermelon. They check for defects invisible to the human eye. Only fruit that meets strict standards moves forward. Anything that doesn't is removed immediately. The result is consistency from the very beginning.
Human operators monitor the system at every stage.
Every watermelon now follows the same path. And next, they're prepared for cleaning. Before processing begins, cleanliness is critical.
Every watermelon is thoroughly washed.
High-pressure water and rotating brushes remove dirt and residue. Nothing moves forward without passing this step. Thousands of watermelons are cleaned at the same time. By the time they exit, the surface is completely clean. Powerful air jets dry each melon. This prevents contamination during the next steps. Now, the real transformation begins. Because what happens next changes everything.
This is where whole watermelons are opened for the first time.
High-speed blades cut with absolute precision. The inside is exposed in seconds. Every cut is measured and controlled. Once opened, the process accelerates.
Automation keeps everything moving.
There's no room for error at this stage.
Dozens of watermelons are split every second. From here, the fruit is ready for separation. This is where raw fruit becomes usable product.
Now the fruit enters the extraction phase. The flesh is separated from the rind automatically. Specialized screens filter the usable material.
This is pure watermelon juice.
Thousands of liters are extracted every hour.
Nothing useful is wasted. The liquid is collected and stabilized. These tanks regulate temperature and flow. Quality is monitored continuously. And next, the juice is refined. Before packaging, the juice must be refined.
Multiple filtration stages remove any remaining solids. The result is a consistent, smooth liquid.
Every batch is checked for quality.
Samples are taken automatically.
Sugar levels, acidity, and purity are measured. Only approved juice moves forward. This step ensures consistency at scale. Millions of watermelons, one uniform result. Now, it's ready to be packaged.
This is one of the fastest parts of the process.
Every container is filled with exact precision.
No overfilling, no waste.
Dozens are filled at the same time.
Once filled, sealing happens instantly. Each seal protects freshness. Speed is matched with accuracy.
This line never stops.
Every container is inspected.
Next comes identification and branding.
Now, every product receives its identity. Labels are applied with millimeter accuracy.
Even at high speed, precision is never compromised.
Each unit is marked for traceability. Final inspections ensure everything is correct. Even the smallest defects are detected. Anything that doesn't meet standards is removed.
Only perfect products move forward.
The transformation is almost complete. Now they're ready to be packed. Packaging is the final step before storage. Robotic systems handle packing with precision.
Each box is filled in seconds.
Once filled, cartons are sealed securely. Robots stack thousands of boxes every hour.
From here, products are prepared for transport.
Each pallet is secured for safety. This keeps products stable during transport. Now, logistics take over.
The factory's role is almost complete.
Once packed, the products enter the final stage. This allows the factory to manage massive volumes effortlessly. Every pallet is tracked and logged. From here, products are prepared for distribution. They'll soon be shipped to markets far beyond this facility. When viewed together, the scale becomes clear. Hundreds of machines, working in perfect coordination.
All starting from a simple piece of fruit.
From raw watermelon to finished product. This is what happens inside a modern watermelon factory.